block, get on America. Rolling through the hood, just stop by to say what's up. Let you know your baby boy ain't doing so tough. Even though your past going on for long years, still waking up late at night crying tears. Just thinking about those days you used to talk to me, smiling while I'm sipping on this Tennessee. And remember we sang on how rich we would be. Forget about this hood was like a fantasy. My songs were ready and was playing. Oh, I can't believe my ears and what everybody's saying. Boy, I tell you, folks don't know how I would give it all up just to take one ride with you. How I used to kick it on the front porch with you. How I used to lay back and smoke weed with you. And all the little things and party joints we do. Now I'm just missing you. How I wish you still hold you now. Oh, I still have to touch you now. I still have to talk to you. Be with you somehow. I know you're in a bad place. You know I can't see your face. I know you're smiling down at me, saying everything's okay. And if I'm looking at the stuff, I'll see you again someday. Ever since this money comes, been nothing but stress. Sometimes I wish that I could just trade in my success. Y'all look at me and say, boy, you've been blessed, but y'all don't see the inside of my happiness. Man, I swear this shit gets heavy like a ton. That's why you hear me shooting this real shit up. Chance, but you chose to turn away from your career. I gotta take it, though it's heartbreaking. It's something that I had to do, but nobody said that it would hurt so bad. So how do I live? How do I deal without you? You know that your heart's with me, but you're with me 'cause I chose to be.
No growling. Uh-oh. Girl. No hippin'. I'm your baby daddy one day. Hey. Who's sitting? Which one is fucking hissing?
Come here, Bubba.